To create a session that the students can access, go to Collaborate Ultra in the navigation pane on the left. If you don't see this, you need to watch the tutorial called Enabling Collaborate Ultra. This should take you to this window, where you can click Create Session. Name your session. I'm going to call this one Test Session. Ignore this for now. This is information that the students will need to get in. Select which role you want new joiners to be by default. I would not recommend moderator because that will give the students a lot of power to change your settings. Participant is the most limited role. Presenter is also good for students, but slightly less limited. Choose the start date of your class. You can use this calendar to pick the date you want. Make it end on the same day. Choose which time you want it to start. Let's say 12 o'clock p.m. And then if you want the session to last 1 hour, you make it go to 1 o'clock p.m. To be able to use the same session for every class period that you hold in Collaborate Ultra, click Repeat Session. Leave these settings at the default, repeat weekly and every week. Use these little icons to select which days of the week you want to hold your class. So for instance, if your class is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from noon to 1, you would select these three. They're highlighted in green. And since it's set to repeat weekly, your session will automatically be held from 12 to 1 every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can choose how many weeks you want this to happen here, if you would like. If you don't know how many sessions you're going to need, you can just leave this alone. You're going to want to let students come early if they want. This will make it easier not to have students joining at the very last minute. And once you're satisfied with all of your settings, you click Save. And your session should be set up for the rest of the semester.